Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today the next lecture on demography. Growth rate. The growth rate is the rate at which a population is increasing or decreasing in a given year due to the natural increase and net migration, expressed as percentage of the base population. The natural increase we studied previously, which is birth minus death, and the net migration is the result of the migration, which is defined by the in migration minus out migration of that area. So this is the equation: birth minus death plus minus migration divided by mid-year population. So this is how we can calculate the growth rate of any country. Doubling time or population doubling time. So the number of years required for a population of an area to double its present size given the current rate of the population growth. In another word, it is the time in which population of that area may be double. The formula is 70 over current rate of the population growth, which means if a population grows by 1%, it takes 70 years to double its present size. If the growth rate of a country is 2, then 70 over 2, so it should take 35 years to double the population, like Pakistan. Sex ratio. It is usually expressed as the number of male per 100 female. The formula is sex ratio is number of male divided by number of female multiplied by 100. The sex ratio at birth is about 105. In India, the sex ratio is the number of female to the number of male, but in all other country, it is the number of male to the number of female. Dependency ratio, the societal dependency ratio. Strictly, this is the ratio of population who are economically not active to those who are economically active. Yani it is the ratio of non-productive people to productive people. So this determines the dependency ratio of a country. The dependency ratio may be the total dependency ratio, child dependency ratio, old dependency ratio. The main is total dependency ratio. The total dependency ratio is, as we studied, it is the non-productive people to the productive people. It is a ratio. So total dependency ratio can be calculated: population below 15 of year plus population 65 year and above, divided by population of 15 to 65 years, which we thought may be productive, multiply by 100. This will give you the total dependency ratio. The other is child dependency ratio. The child dependency ratio may be calculated as population below 15 years of age divided by population of 15 to 65 years multiply by 100. So this will show 4 children are there which are in childhood age. Old dependency ratio is calculated by population above 65 years of age divided by population of 15 to 64 years multiply by 100. So this is all the ratio of the total dependency ratio, child dependency ratio and old dependency ratio. Thanks. These are the formula we study. These are very important in demographics point of view. Next we study fertility and its measures inshallah. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.